For centuries, civilizations around the world have treasured essential oils. These potent extracts from flowers, leaves, and roots hold remarkable therapeutic properties. Ancient cultures recognized their power to heal the body and soothe the mind. Today, essential oils are experiencing a resurgence in popularity. People are rediscovering their incredible benefits for managing stress and anxiety in our modern world. Essential oils offer a natural and holistic approach to well-being. Their aromatic compounds interact with our olfactory system, directly impacting our emotions and mood. When inhaled, these fragrant molecules send signals to the limbic system, the brain's emotional center. This interaction can trigger calming and relaxing responses, helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. The lavender essential oil is renowned for its calming and relaxing properties. Its sweet floral aroma has a soothing effect on the nervous system, making it a popular choice for relieving anxiety and promoting sleep. Studies have shown that lavender oil can reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and induce a sense of calm and well-being. To enjoy the calming benefits of lavender oil, you can add a few drops to a diffuser or aromatherapy inhaler. Inhaling the gentle aroma can help ease tension and quiet the mind. You can also dilute lavender oil with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil and apply it topically to your pulse points for a relaxing massage. Peppermint essential oil is best known for its refreshing and invigorating aroma. It can help to sharpen focus, improve concentration, and alleviate mental fatigue. Peppermint oil contains menthol, a compound that creates a cooling sensation when applied to the skin. This cooling effect can help to soothe headaches and relieve muscle tension, common symptoms of stress. For a quick pick-me-up, add a few drops of peppermint oil to a diffuser or inhale it directly from the bottle. You can also dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil and apply it topically to your temples, forehead, and back of the neck to relieve headaches. Adding a few drops of peppermint oil to a foot bath can also be incredibly refreshing and invigorating. Section 4. Bergamot. Uplift your mood, find your balance. Bergamot essential oil is extracted from the rind of the bergamot orange, a citrus fruit with a distinctively sweet and slightly spicy aroma. It is known for its uplifting and mood-boosting properties, making it an excellent choice for managing stress and anxiety. Bergamot oil has been shown to reduce cortisol levels, promote relaxation, and improve overall mood. To experience the balancing benefits of bergamot oil, add a few drops to a diffuser or aromatherapy inhaler. Inhaling its citrusy aroma can help to uplift your spirits and reduce feelings of stress and overwhelm. You can also dilute bergamot oil with a carrier oil and apply it topically to your chest and wrists. Section 5. Ylang Ylang, embrace tranquility and joy. Ylang Ylang essential oil is derived from the fragrant flowers of the kananga tree, native to Southeast Asia. Its rich floral aroma is both calming and euphoric, making it a popular choice for promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Ylang Ylang oil has been shown to lower blood pressure, slow heart rate, and induce a sense of peace and tranquility. To experience the calming and mood-enhancing benefits of ylang ylang oil, add a few drops to a diffuser or aromatherapy inhaler. You can also incorporate it into your deep breathing exercises. Add a drop or two of ylang ylang oil to a tissue or cotton ball, hold it under your nose, and inhale deeply for a few minutes. Section 6. Essential oil safety, using nature's gifts wisely. While essential oils are generally safe for most people, it's important to use them with care. Due to their potency, they should always be diluted with a carrier oil, such as jojoba oil or almond oil, before applying them to the skin. A good ratio is 2 to 4 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. It's also crucial to perform a patch test before using any new essential oil. Apply a small amount of diluted oil to a small area of skin on your inner arm. Wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. If you experience any redness, itching, or discomfort, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Section 7. Embrace the power of essential oils for a calmer you. Essential oils offer a natural and effective way to manage stress and anxiety. From the calming properties of lavender to the uplifting aroma of bergamot, there's an essential oil to suit every need. By incorporating these fragrant allies into your daily routine, you can unlock a world of natural well-being and experience a greater sense of calm, balance, and peace of mind.